Spider-Man joins the X-Men for Logan's final wish. Spider-Man, our friendly neighborhood hero, swinging into the world of mutants, not because he wanted to, but because Wolverine, yes, Wolverine, made it one of his final wishes before he died. Logan, always thinking ahead, suspected something dangerous lurking at Jean Grey School. He believed one of the students was a traitor and needed someone unexpected to uncover it. Enter Spider-Man. Now, imagine this. Spidey shows up, and he's not exactly welcomed with open arms. The students are wary. Why? Because he's not a mutant. He's an outsider. But does Peter Parker ever back down from a challenge? Nope. He starts teaching them not just about swinging through New York, but about something even more important: responsibility. The kind of responsibility that comes with power, whether it's being able to stick to walls or read minds. Things take a wild turn when Chameleon, one of Spider-Man's trickiest foes, disguises himself as Eye-Boy and kidnaps Spidey's entire class. Where do they end up? Mojo World, a place where nightmares are prime-time entertainment. But here's the kicker. Spider-Man fights his way through, bonds with his students, and they survive together. And in doing so, he learns there's more to this than just a kidnapping. The real shock? One of Peter's students, Ernst, was working for Mr. Sinister. Sinister had promised her something unthinkable, a real body for her best friend, No Girl, who existed only as a floating brain. In return, he wanted DNA samples from everyone at the school. But Spider-Man wasn't about to let that slide. When it came down to the final fight, Spider-Man's students didn't sit back. They found him, stood by his side, and faced off against Sinister's twisted version of the X-Men. They fought not just for themselves, but for No Girl, pulling her free from Sinister's control. And from that day, Spider-Man, the Avenger, the Web-Slinger, formed his own team of X-Men. They weren't just students anymore. Once a month, they hit the streets together, showing the world that even the strangest allies can make the strongest team.